It's moving day! Alright, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. It's moving day and I'm here with my sister and my mom. They're driving, but I'm gonna take you guys. Hey guys, I made it to the apartment. It's one of these. We're just gonna wait for my roommate because I need to go get my keys, but I don't want to go alone because I'm not used to people. Yeah, it's so cute. Did you buy that or it came with them?
I bought the little.
Aww. Guys, look at my room. That's so cute. Okay. Okay, I'll show you guys a full. Oh shit, it's nice. Okay, I'll show you guys a full room tour once we move everything in. Bye. I locked myself out. Okay, apartment tour. Here we go. So this is the main overview. It's still a mess because I literally just moved in and put everything there. But we have our little kitchen. It's so cute. And then we have like a little pantry over here. Of course, we already have chips and candy. And then we have a little dining area. And then our living area with just 2 couches. My roommate left this for me, so freaking cute. And then we have another closet here, which is great. And then we have the restroom. What the heck is the light? My roommate. The lighting here is amazing too. Like, vlogs here are gonna go off. And then we have a restroom. And then the room. So here's my side and then my roommate's side. And then guys, we have a walk-in closet. It's so spacious. I'm so happy. Wow. No, because the apartment is way cuter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be because it exceeded my. Oh my god, now I'm grabbing this shit. Going from like a small tiny dorm to this whole space. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do a time lapse now. We're done. You guys, it looks like we've been living here for a month. Look how messy it is. Like, I've added some things here. All these drawers are filled with my clothes, and then I still need to decorate the top of my desk, but I mostly put everything away here. Also the closet. Well, I still need to color code it, but everything's there. But the apartment is so cute. Like, I'm literally so obsessed with it, and I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're gonna put on the vines. I'm so over this. Oh, I'm so tired. You guys don't understand how tiring this is. You guys, why are people screaming? I'm scared. We're out in the wild. So it's a couple hours later. We went to Trader Joe's. No, we didn't. So we went to Target to get some food because I don't have my mom anymore to cook for me. And I don't know how to cook. But we got ground beef. Is that what it's called? Yeah. We're gonna make tacos. With ground beef. We're making tacos. I did that. I diced those shit in big ass chunks, but I did that. And then we got the roast beef.
Don't be showing that. That's the wrong
ground beef. Guys, our first dinner. We did that. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited to bring you guys along this new school year, and I don't know, I'm genuinely so obsessed with this apartment. It's literally so cute and I can't wait to finish decorating everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Take care. Bye.